I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Tuesday, March 27th. And here we're going to look at Dang, China Ding Dong, whatever it is. Look, do you want to buy this stock right now? There's a lot of reasons to buy it. We've got a breakout above the 200-day moving average, which is really significant, particularly since it had been acting as resistance for a while. Also, we've got the 50-day moving average about to cross the 200-day moving average, and when that type of dynamic occurs, that sets up a buy the dips mentality among traders. They see that the moving averages are in the right configuration, and so they, feel more confident buying the stock when it comes back to the 50-day moving average. So that's another thing. And then, of course, we have huge, massive volume, which is a really good thing. Because here's the thing about charts. You look at something like this, and you see what it is, and you either buy it or you don't, whatever. And then time marches on, and when the stock gets up to 10, 11 bucks, you look back at this day, and you say, wow, that day really meant something. But for now, like right here, right now, today, all you're seeing is the stock broke out on really big volume, and you're trying to figure out whether you should buy it or not. By the way, you know what another big day was? A day that you could say, wow, I guess that day did mean something. This day, right here, that big move, huge volume. Where's the stock now? Substantially higher than it was. But what happened between now and back then? Big pullbacks, and then also a big extreme move to the other side. But make no mistake about it, you look back here at the end of March on what happened in early December on the big volume, and you say, that meant something. Sure wished I'd have kept following this stock, because I sure would have liked to have bought it, even if you bought it here. So similarly, here we are with China. Dang. We got a breakout. It's just about pushing above this level. I think ultimately this stock goes higher, but do I want to buy it right now? This is actually easier than you might think. You look here at the, let me get to this here. You look here at the intraday chart. You see we had a pretty nice move all day long until close to the end of the day. Then not so much. You can even look at it on the 1-minute chart. You can really see how the stock just kind of tailed off. 15-minute chart, same thing. Nice big move, but then we got some heavy selling into the end of the day. So as I look at this, now I'm going back to the daily chart, and I see that yes, we got to move. We got to close above the upper Bollinger Band. That's pretty significant. But I don't just feel like I want to go rush and buy the stock first thing in the morning, because I saw that selling pressure towards the end of the day. It could follow through into tomorrow morning. So instead, I want to be looking, see how the stock acts down at 8 bucks. It's at 8.17 now, 17 cents. Doesn't seem like that big a deal, but the pennies add up. I want to see how it acts at 8 bucks. Maybe it falls even a little bit lower, but if I can catch it inside the Bollinger Band complex, hopefully a little closer to the middle Bollinger Band, somewhere around in here, mid-sevens, then I'm going to get to a point somewhere down the road where I look back and I say, wow, that day here really meant something. Now the stock's up at 10 bucks. I'm sure glad I was able to buy this thing right back here on March 28th, which will be on Wednesday here. So I want you to apply this type of analysis to these various stocks that you're trading, and guys, I promise you, you're going to be able to get better entries, okay? Now, members, go to the strategy session, and before you even start, have some paper and a pen ready, because I've got some trading lessons for you that are going to, I'm positive, going to improve your trading and improve it sooner rather than later. So get over there and do that now.